Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon CRM. In this video, we will see an overview of WhatsApp Business API. It's not just a tool for chat, it's a smarter way to connect with customers. It's now a powerful business tool. With Groweon's WhatsApp Business API, you can connect with customers on the most popular messaging app at scale. In the API settings, we offer you an option on WhatsApp API settings. From here, you can seamlessly integrate WhatsApp with your CRM, website, and other marketing platforms. We also have a multi-agent chat box available. All the chats for a particular agent will be visible here. The agent can easily chat with the customer on the go. Plus, there is an option for centralized chat or per lead chat available. From here, the agent can also chat with an individual customer, and all chats will be recorded in one place. We provide you with a comprehensive dashboard where you can track how many total messages are submitted, sent, and delivered. It's a very user-friendly platform from where you can create and approve your WhatsApp templates. We offer you the option to manage all your media in one place, whether it's a video, PDF file, or catalog. Here, the option to create a campaign is also available. You can create an immediate campaign or schedule it for a particular day and time. Plus, we have a chatbot option available. You can automate your conversations with your customers via chatbot and WhatsApp workflows. So, with the CRM, whether it's lead generation, customer support, or sales follow-up, Groweon WhatsApp Business API helps you engage, convert, and delight customers like never before. For more information, you can visit our official website, groweon.com, and book a free demo today. Thank you.